Today's assembly. We had 22 bikes to assemble total. First 9 bikes in an hour and a half. Organized by Bike Built, which is the quickest way to do multiple bikes. If you have a stack, you might have to reorganize your stack to be efficient. But halfway through, complete one pallet. Just got those two to finish right there. Organize your trash. Keep your cardboard separate from your plastics. Bag up your plastics separate. End of the day cleanup for assembly. This is what it looks like. 30 bikes complete. Easy snap 20s. 12-inch bike toddlers, 16-inch kids. 5 adults with 1 adult cruisers. Mountain bike. 6 20-inch Yeezys BMX freestyle, and 4 20s and 18s. End of the day. 30 bikes assembled. All clean up. Successful day.